How to check your screen time on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to see your daily screen time, app usage, and screen activity in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap on it. Once you open it, you'll see an overview of your screen time, including how long you've used your phone today and which apps you've spent the most time on. For more detailed information, tap the graph or chart icon. This will show your daily and weekly screen time statistics, helping you track your phone usage habits more accurately. You can also tap on any specific day to see a detailed breakdown of your screen time, app usage, notifications received, and times opened. That's how to check screen time on Android. It's a quick way to monitor your digital habits and better manage your daily phone usage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and how-to tutorials.